Good morning. Now, a lot of people keep saying that after I split up with Taylor Swift, my life went downhill, which may be true. Well, it probably is true. And Taylor kept saying to me, "Why don't you speak Scottish like you did back home?" I like that. I said, "Listen to him. If I talk Scottish, they won't understand me. And I want to move with the important people. So this is why I speak. Or should I say, this is why I dropped the Scottish accent and sounded more like an English guy." And she said to me, "If you want to speak English, I'm going to get a guy that can really speak English and properly, not like you. So either speak Scottish or I'm done with you." And so where we are, get out. And I think that was my big mistake because I've regretted it my whole life. And there I am now at the end of my life, and I wish I'd not said that to Taylor because I still love her. Bye-bye, hen.